Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect Trikdis GSM gate controller GV17 and control it with Protegus app. Remove the plastic lid of GV17 as shown. Insert a nano SIM card to the designated slot with orientation as shown. PIN code request must be disabled. Screw on the antenna. Put the plastic lid of GV17 back on as shown. Now let's connect the wiring. Connect the red wire to AC plus DC terminal. Connect the black wire to the AC minus DC terminal. Output Out5 are relay contacts to which you should connect gate automatics control circuit as shown in the diagram. To visually demonstrate how the output Out5 relay is turned on, we will connect an LED indicator. Turn on the power supply to GV17. Call the SIM card number inside GV17. The call will be automatically rejected. Output Out5 will turn on for 3 seconds, and the LED indicator will light up and turn off afterwards. The first caller to the number of GV17 is automatically assigned as the system administrator. The number will be stored in GV17. Now, let's connect the Protegus service for GV17. Send an SMS, connect 123456 Protegus equals on to the device. This will turn on connection to Protegus. Register GV17 in Protegus app. Open the Protegus app or type the address www.protegus.eu/login in your browser. Log in with your username or register. To add the GV17, click on the button Add New System. Enter the IMEI number of GV17 to the box Unique ID. You will find this number on the backside of the GV17 and its packaging. Click Next. Assign the system a name of your choice and select the time zone. Click Next. Add new user to the system. Click on Settings, Users, Add new user. Type in user email. The user will receive invitation to control GV17 with Protegus to provided email address. Set which PGM output the user will be able to control. Once the settings are set, click Save. Now, let's set up operational settings for PGM. Click on Control and then Settings. Set the PGM output setting to Impulse. Set up the length of the impulse. Gate automatics control terminals need to receive impulse signal to open the gates. Save the settings. Click on the icon. Output PGM5 will activate. Now, let's add the widget on the mobile phone. Open Protegus app on the phone and make sure the data connectivity is on. Touch the screen and hold the finger for a few seconds. Choose Protegus. Choose the PGM output, which you want to put into widget. Click on the icon of the widget with PGM output. The output of GV17 will activate and the LED indicator will flash. The tutorial is over. Thank you for your attention. You can find more info on our website, www.trikdis.com.